That is so freaking good and healthy. Oh, y'all can see me? I didn't even know I pressed record. What's up, guys? It's your girl, That's So India, and I'm back with another video. And today we are making tomato and basil leaf pasta with a little mix, okay? It is filled with all the good veggies, okay? It is just gonna be chef's kiss. If you are true to the game, you already know we be litty, okay? If you are new to the game, you make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can be a part of the girl gang too, okay? Where we girl gang, we do not bang, okay? Let's get it.
Somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other halfway. I thought you settled on the street, like a standing like I needed to. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I live my
Okay, y'all, so right here y'all see me just washing my veggies. I'm getting the tomatoes first and go ahead and rinsing them off, okay? And then I'm gonna go in and go ahead and rinse off the mushrooms as well. And we're gonna also go ahead and cut my onion up in this clip, as well as cut my garlic up so we can get ready to saute these veggies.
Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
Okay, y'all, so right here we are getting our pan and bringing it to medium heat and spraying it with some avocado oil. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and throw in those veggies, starting first with those tomatoes, because what we're gonna do is put them in the pan and we're gonna go ahead and mash those bad boys up. Okay, we're gonna get all the juice out of those tomatoes before we throw in any other veggies. Okay. Okay, y'all seen we put in all the veggies. We got our vegetable broth in here. And now we're gonna add in some tomato paste. This is what's gonna make our sauce. I did about 3 tablespoons to start with, and then of course you can add more or less as you go. Y'all, this meal was just so quick and easy, very inexpensive, and very fulfilling. Like, I really enjoyed this, and I can't wait for y'all to see the final product. Okay, y'all, I was so hurt when I found out that I had the wrong eye on. So my water was not even boiling for my noodles, so I had to hurry up and boil these things up real quick. And y'all gonna see me boil them. I'm gonna skip that part, and then we're gonna go ahead and drain the noodles and put them in our pot. And really, I didn't even drain them because I want the juice from the noodles, so I just kind of pulled them out of there once they were done. Those chickpea noodles doesn't take long at all to cook. Some people like theirs kind of hard. I like mine's kind of soft, like regular spaghetti noodles, so it gives me that same familiar texture. seasoned, I was like, let me add about 2 more tablespoons of this tomato paste just to give it a little extra oomph, because I felt like I had a lot of noodles, so I needed some more sauce. So that's the only reason I added it. The whole key to this meal is to make sure you are stirring really well and making sure everything is well blended, and it's just as simple as that. Alright y'all, we are all done. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I will catch y'all on the next episode. If you try this meal, make sure you leave me a comment and let me know how it tastes. Thank you and enjoy.